Hey guys, Craftsman Truck Series reaction with 6 laps to go in the season finale at Phoenix. Zane Smith leads, looking to win for his final start with Front Row Motorsports moving on to the Cup Series. Meanwhile, the battle for the championship right here, Grant Enfinger looking to win it. And GMS's final ever start in the Truck Series. Ben Rhodes trying to hunt him down. Corey Heim trying so desperately to get back up there. But he's about 4 seconds behind the championship leaders. And about 9 behind the whole thing. Can Ben Rhodes become a 2-time truck champion in 3 years? Will we have a late race caution to drum up interest again? Who knows? Coming to 4 to go, though. 4 to go for Zane Smith. Oh boy, is there going to be another caution? Oh boy. Oh, big wreck! And Heim's in it, and Hocevar. Hocevar's done. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's insane. Oh, see if it'll restart. Here we go, coming to overtime for maybe the final time in the Truck Series this season. Ben Rhodes and Grant Enfinger looking to duke it out for the championship. Here we go. Overtime. Zane Smith did not get a good start. Oh! Here comes Ben Rhodes. Oh boy. Enfinger's right there. 4 wide. Enfinger slides. Oh my goodness. Looking like Ben Rhodes is going to be the truck champion. Oh, Grant's way back there. Big wreck, though. Caution again. 10th time. Freaking Spire Motorsports again. See you for the restart. Well, here we go. Coming to another overtime attempt. Ben Rhodes is basically the 2023 truck champion. Unless Ben somehow wrecks. But not a great way to crown a champion, but hey, it's the Truck Series, so here we go, green flag. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, Ben Rhodes is damaged now. I'll see for another restart. Can we please end this? Attempt number 3 in overtime. Can Ben Rhodes hold on with that destroyed truck? Could Grant Enfinger pull his way up? This is going to be insane. Oh my God. Oh! Majeski goes around. Crafton goes around. A bigger wreck again and another caution. This is ridiculous. This is pain. I want this to be over. It's almost 1 in the morning here. This is ridiculous. Here we go. Can we make it 2 laps? They do. Oh boy. Here comes the 23. You don't have enough time though. I don't think he's got enough time. Oh, maybe he does. Ankram's got an issue. Big issue. Oh. Don't. Keep it green. Keep it green. Keep it green. Keep it green. This is officially the last lap. Enfinger. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Who's it going to be? Oh! Eckes gets the win, and Ben Rhodes is a 2-time Truck Series champion. Oh my goodness. Ben Rhodes, for the 2nd time in 3 years, he is the Craftsman Truck Series champion. Wow, Eckes wins the race, Ben Rhodes wins the title.